quiet. I'm out. Go back upstairs. As you join, make sure you just click on share. We need everybody on board. Everybody needs to be on board. Just keep sharing extensively as you join. As you join, make sure you share extensively. We need to get everybody on board. Thank you. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Thank you. Very good. All right, let's share extensively. Let's get everybody on board. So I should be able to start this show in the next minute or so. So if you join, you just share. We'll make sure say all man they on board, all right? So we thank all man we watch at this time. So we'll make sure say we share extensively so that everybody will try for join. Very good. We almost go 500,000. So that's quite very great. And we'll get everybody on board soon. Okay? So one salute all my watch from any part of the world at this time. And for talk say, we'll be very grateful. Yeah, so we'll thank all man. I'll start. I want to make sure say me all man can before. I want to go straight to the point, very straight to the point. And so, all right. I'll play with small music. We're present in music, and then after a few seconds or minutes into the music, I will now bring the news. And I want to start this live show by thanking Barrister Fujon so because the move, we don't take a very big move. I'll give you the details about the police station, everything. And the one the show we say revolutionary change stage. And then of course, all Ambazonians, they get to understand the new perspective for the revolution. Especially when people there for Northern Zone, for Bamenda, where they don't do a very great job by making sure, say, they not respect the stupid call from enablers and way they claim, say, they not get for respect the no bike and no bike, no vehicle stuff. So be very grateful for all my way. They don't join the voice with our voices for make sure say we'll try all way for implement this aspect for the revolution. I will thank all man where it be joined from Ground Zero especially. And of course, we'll not forget people the way they join from Nigeria. Might I now bring one president music before I go straight to the point. 1 minute, we'll take off.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. I reach out to many, I joke, I think it's in
Okay, I think say if we start now, we don't do more than 1,000. Mommy and Papa them, as I talk, if you did join this show, click on share, click on the like button, and then tell who side you watch, and not forget for hashtag CDN. When I must understand one thing, say something they way would call them for society and for the world, say values. Say what say values. Now, make that come out clearly. We don't see which way it go on here for America. And we don't see too which way Yolif don't do them for Liberia. I will explain all for all man way it watch me. Now two big news where don't come in. Where I would like to start with them before I go for the full John Soy situation. Excuse me. And I want to come to some 3 county heads where formerly been as Sarkozy surrogates. Where they don't call me yesterday and today. 3 county heads, they want to call the county them. For thank me for bringing out that tax document. And the revelation too don't get them say, I think now 4 other county heads, they don't be convinced that they take the small money where people that counties they began for draft, they began for Sako for IG Treasury, for Sako IG Treasury, the splinter group. So for all the counties, them some 4 counties they already take on money give Sako, so no need for check out before I can talk about that one. Now, Mommy and Papa them, yesterday I don't see which way it don't happen for United Nations. Yesterday gonna see which they happen for US Senate. And today, when I see which way it happened for Liberia, for Gambia, Sierra Leone, and other African countries, and where these boys them and women them, young youths them, leaders and entrepreneurs them for all Africa, where they call themselves, if you never see that news, go for National Telegraph, we don't dick and bring them for now. They call themselves, say, YOLIF. YOLIF means, say, Young African Leaders. Where Y stand for YO stand for Young, LA stand for Leaders, and AF stand for Africa. So they say YOLIF. They don't go do presentation for UN High Commissioner for Human Rights. Or if you call it appropriately, because the person, the chair where they in charge of that body, they call and say UN High Commissioner, and so they call it. But the body be called the Office of the United Nations High Commission for Human Rights, where it be abbreviated as OHCHR. you put where you see OHCHR, when you know that office, UN office for the High Commission for Human Rights. He get now the former Chilean president Michelle Bachelet now be the head for that organization under United Nations. So yesterday we been at US Senate. Today now that you leave people them. When I don't see the resolution for US Senate. It bring me for before I will talk about Fu Jonso, I will congratulate you for this show and I will show document why Fu Jonso they react. Because Fu Jonso, the idol declare. All man know Fu Jonso. So Yolif, US Senate, they don't talk big talk for refugees and for all we for the revolution. They Yolif go for UN for Monrovia, when a capital for Liberia. One reporter for Liberia, the reporter asked if it happened if they did live. They go to Chinese embassy. They go to American embassy. They pick some other key points. They do the same thing for the Gambia. Or report about Gambia, don't tell me. And for Sierra Leone, I will explain at you what they talk for Paul Noah. They talk say, Paul Biya, and for having given at a video, they present video where they collect them from the publications all they do. They go gam for these big personalities and ambassadors. They talk saying that Paul Biya don't send B. Me go kill people that were southern Cameroons. But they use the word or the phrase is northwest and southwest. Now why I don't tell people, they say, you need to fight for first person because say must say na Ambazonia before you know say to get independence. Begin to follow international system. If that people they won't go get that book, they're going to talk say for Ambazonia this you are not going to listen. They say northwest and southwest. And then they go further for talk say make the UN make sure say he send facts finding mission to where President Sisi could don't talk. He talks say wait me UN send facts finding mission. Me will listen very attentively. Our people would already get our independence. So they talk plenty in them. And I've been happy because for that discussion, where it fall in line with the US Senator, imagine say people they for Liberia, picking them for Liberia, youths them, business people them, they join themselves, go talk one matter. Because they don't read, they don't follow which way some of you, me, we would write. The same for Sierra Leone. Which will be important. Now which I want to make Ambassador put a note today about which we don't always tell them for this platform. They talk say waiting. I will play the video in a short while. I will play the video. And I will forward and me go for the place so that we will listen very attentively. Very good. So, what people they therefore understand how important this particular thing it be for we. It be very, very serious and certain. And then this, where there be the protest, now in that. I will play part of the video, make una see. Make una hear which way there be the talk. So I won't just put them on a see them, no say it in video. But wait till my work. Now for source information, where I will bring them for what people, we will give them hope, and we will frighten La Republic. And we will make other international bodies me they follow suit. Now Eric Tato work that. If you look at very well, no one Ambazonian activist, I must blow my trumpet. Nobody get the information. All them now will get them from we. We don't publish our telegraph. Now it's like the hold to that, the follow up. We for National Telegraph, when I did Eric Tato get them, will get one reporter for Monrovia, and I don't read the article. If you don't even make one news item for audio, video, and Abisian. Would you pay if you do work, publish news, get information there? Some ambassadors they go shit down. Tomorrow they will make noise. Say this Eric Tato, this is Eric Tato, this. When the news come now, they share them. You get for share, it be important. And I will explain to you before they talk. U.S. Senate yesterday, it moved resolution for in number 116th Congress. Me say the session for the going at number 116th. It talks say make they organize a credible negotiation between Cameroon and Ambazonia. These people there, this boy there for this and sister there for this Yolif. They talk say they sent in say me UN, me the UN commission, High Commission for Refugee, or rather for Human Rights, make a propose and recommend for the UN Security Council. Make they get a fact-finding mission sent for Cameroon. Make the UN Security Council appoint a special member or council for mediate the issue for Cameroon under the UN supervision. Oh man, this one go for ring one bell for my head. It bring me to wait where I don't tell now for this platform. I use say the only way where to get legitimacy for your talks and for your independence now through a body where they embody all other countries and now one body this of the way when a UN where the power like the government say UN is a toothless bulldog and so on and so forth. I tell you, 1 minute. Say the approach for diplomacy must be a UN USA and then others can follow. But no, suppose they be say we will not want Swiss away. How some man you go? If they like say some person put 1,000 for year, put 100,000. Say me go select guy will help you for do business. You go pick 1,000. You want start say cooking granite for bucket. You need table, you need mat, you need chair, you need umbrella. They put 1,000. They put 100,000. You go pick 1,000. Clap for yourself. So Switzerland be don't be and it will still remain like 1,000 francs compared to 100,000 we take about give man for go start granite. We see how US senators them they synop Swiss talk. They say whereas Swiss government don't claim say they are using a whereas. Whereas me say thing the way don't talk so it don't happen. Whereas the Cameroon government is killing people, you are quiet. Whereas Switzerland said that they were mediating, it did not work. Whereas, not me I write that document. So now Sako, Kometa, Bohebet, and all the surrogates, when I feel now qualify this US senator, they say that the Republic don't pay them, they make that statement because they hate Swiss. That picking there they talk for years when they not cost, they never know what to be, they never know what to happen for Switzerland. See, Liberia, anyone don't read Liberian independent war, and rather a liberation war because Liberia is the only country, or civil war rather, the only country for Africa where you know very well when you talk about the first independent African countries. If you go read the Liberia history for civil war, where they Charles Taylor and Samuel Doe and the rest of them. Liberians they understand. Say, no matter the noise way if you make them, a foreign body must come in for assist you for get the peace and the negotiation we need them. So we don't see them very clearly. Wait where these particular people don't do. Wait they don't talk. US Senate. I be happy say some Sarko surrogates that they share with US in the right time. They share say USA, let's go to the UN. I like them because I don't like UN. Not be bad thing way. So now we don't be like a market can't like them after. Now good thing. We don't add customers and for push the cost. We go for UN. Go ahead UN. Go like now Switzerland. So I want to congratulate all the Sarko activists where they take the pains because that one pass pain for accident. You know when you get accident, you don't see accident patient where neck turn. They get for struggle back hospital, get for bring them back or front. Me balance. Now so that news for US Senate yesterday, now so it come for Sarko the active because they find if they just say and the government of Cameroon must go to the Swiss stock, mommy, we not for rest. We have a audio. Be there now. Say Sarko they do diplomacy. Now in that, it don't go drag money. It work. US don't see only drag money. They don't talk say Swiss must come in. Only bad market yesterday. You see they struggle all way, but they still go post them. You don't get no choice. USA. Look at that. They don't nominate Donald Trump, President for Nobel Peace Prize, the Norwegian award stuff. Israel they can sign peace deal for Washington. If you want to know the center of world power, diplomacy. Now, White House. When Trump make one tweet, me don't make tweet together. And see the way US they talk, US need to say, me State Department of State, me consider to put sanction on top Cameroon officials. Just imagine that kind of talk. Switzerland every day they call it Northwest and Southwest, one peace, one reconciliation. Now come and tell the Congo, Mambo where they ban for France, where they be transferred for France or Paris, all that Mambo they ban for Bohebe. They go there, they add out cheese. They bring in Chinese girl them, can't rub their back, they can't talk. You carry Muslim man, Abdul Karim way, you go carry Muslim man go circumcise in our Switzerland, go there meet Chinese girl go circumcise man. When I won't kill that man, he come here, he could not say anything again. You bring UN for say, USA say no, USA is a toothless. The first day I hear Bohebe call USA toothless bulldog. Now I know say, forget, Jamaican get power. Because naturally Jamaican get they go get for Bohebe. So these are the kind of operations where we must understand. And Ambassador say every day God is blessed my eye open. Go look at the turner 6 months ago, 8 months ago. If all people have power, the only talking about USA and UN, crisis will don't go far. But Sarko bring confusion. For 1 year, bring argument about Switzerland. Now I don't go, she don't quiet. They think nothing but can't talk about Swiss. If US and they recommend UN, you are the whole African use them. Now in the video that they recommend a UN, they don't even mention Switzerland for their talk. It's there for video. But Chris Anne will come. Go come tell now with he 150 something thousand. You go pay telephone bill. Bill Gates, money man. You go pay telephone bill for 150 something thousand. You fly go Nigeria with 50,000. Master, even at Davido a pan use private jet for America and spend $50,000 for aviation service all team. You fit fly, even my Kobe way die for helicopter. Ask him if the trip will be the fly helicopter. And you go hire a helicopter, how much? $500. You fly the whole Miami. 500. But Chris Ann will go Nigeria with 50,000. And then I stick at the club. So what people they don't already know. Now right away, my own listen, when you go see that information, we bring them from Liberia, thanks to our reporter Tina. You feel good. You see and say, what's trouble to go ahead. If I've been a person who likes trouble, and now they bring information where they control our republic. Yes, we they plan something in the days ahead for the National Telegraph newspaper USA. We go come more time and now go see the thing will do la republic. So our people must be conscious of the truth. That is what is very important. Every time they don't stand, they don't caution and go here day for you and see this. And all man, they can't take the truth now for you. Get all information for you. Because God is great. Now the Swiss stock don't be completely dead. Now the post na US. Only two I like when I say I respect when I say for the first time, Sarko is not claim saying that Sarko go do the diplomacy. Because they look at so they think no Swiss play, they talk about Swiss not they. They say they reason because they back for door. For the first time they get common sense. The reason say that the man go do diplomacy. How come they not tongue and say we have to go Swiss? They say tongue and say where Swiss was. where he say he was 91 years, no say don't die. No, I say he was suicide day. They didn't ask that question. He was 91. He was finished. I began to be property. So we thank God for the USA and for Yolif. So may God bless them. Now, Dr. Yabacho, Vice President Daphne Yerima, John Bakru, Mark Barretta, all man, see every Mark Barretta, Barretta News Africa. Go see how many people they watch it there. Follow his show. He did a great job, and he has always done it. Now, Dr. Yabacho, Vice President Daphne Yerima, all we don't talk say goes down for no cars, no taxi, no bike, no taxi in the end tomorrow, except they get other considerations. So it means say from after tomorrow I will look the communicate fine. I'll catch it now. It means say from tomorrow, all man when tomorrow pass, all man get to go back for a normal in taxi get for start work. Bikes are not sure they work because like Republic restriction or see but my turn at the intelligence for this way happen soon. I could tell the Republic say we they talk say no bikes. We talk say no motor. Bike and motor now all be important. All they be important, but motor now it makes city the flow over. Now it make a decision say live day. Then all man for Bamenda, he respect the non-motor policy. He sent a clear message. He sent a clear message to the Republic. Now the thing that way Chris and when he say suppose they can't come out talk say people they support they like confusion. The one man where they cause confusion the revolution. Where it not be surprising to say an infiltrator. Now Chris Anu. How manage 8 people with substance, quality, big following? They can talk say Daphne Yerima, he get SCBC. Dr. Cho gets his own. I get this platform one of the biggest, the most followed. Mark Barretta, John Bakru, we're the biggest YouTube page for all Ambazonians. He talks say no bike, not taxi. Chris Anu. You can't carry a 150 something thousand telephone big line. You can't talk say the internal government has not said. Which government? The thing about being a government or being is not what's up. It's what the international community they recognize. Now the ghost town go pour the respect way we talk. You cannot fight 6 or 8 people. So we thank the poor Bamenda. Now I will talk the one for Food John so in the next 10 minutes. Before I talk other things because our audience won't be just quite okay. I'll talk other things and in 10 minutes I'll bring the Food John so thing. But I take the opportunity for continue to help the people that may understand which way it happen. Ambazonians, yesterday, after my live show, one of our brothers them, I'll call only one name, Brother Victor. He called me, say, I want to bring some wood the way back. I said, no, miss, I go drive. I drive from my house now in this. Use my petrol. I go right for a place. I boot he had one boot. This boot is not less than 50,000-60,000. A new boot we buy. Ship and come for a house, he give for 5 and egg. He give $100 for Anna. Now in this, we get more equipment. So when they be give me the boot, I will just go and see some picture. Where Sako get 5,000 for the whole Ambazonia now in this. You know that for make banner. Now picking that they fight now Sako special IG force. When I don't see the picture a long time ago. All them those slippers, but now special force. We will contribute 1.3 million or 1.4 million. Having one shoes. We don't want to talk about gun. You dey fight independence. You dey show na your back for your t-shirt. Let's say be player for fee. Even player for fee, you get boot and ball. Where you see them. You never see on the Cameroon national team or Ambazonian national team or French national team. You never see on there. When my job go for Google and switch I talk. When any Sarah player need them, we don't actually must see ball or go see boot for a foot. It's a disgrace. And then to make the matter worse, yesterday I advised the Sako gang about half a right letter. Then I see Sako finally can write some letter. Then the man try for put date. Now the dullest letter you have ever seen for the way we write and for diplomacy or for any site, the people will never learn. You see, when you see people that they try to impress people for do something, Sako they can't listen me. Then he run for go to the team, but he don't understand my explanation. He know if he asks. If he call me the other day, if he try for beg, but he know if he asks and have a right letter. Look letter where man write and see. He write, you never see somewhere they write letter. You never see letter where they write date. They put 2 dots, then write the date. See Sako, we say the president, they sign now, any shame. See, no look at date, 2 dots. They put date. Then the man can put date now for middle, centralized date. Because we talk about centralizing the title of a document. Look at the disgrace. When you put a disgrace for international community, see Sako. And Sako right now, yesterday, September 9, that. They tell happened for Bamenda because they also success don't be. Now they man the bagger, you can't write it. See here, I talk one thing. No man or hate Sako. Now say, God know how to punish wicked man. If you see all the mammy they make audio, the way don't go fufu them with church, with Bible. If you say it don't strong, chairs don't strong, picking see soft bobby now, we know they not be show face outside. You know now people. Look wait to where you do. Look at okay, it come for here. He put date, 2 dots. Now in this, let me write the letter. All I don't see, I'm not in there for that word for that this thing, in that date. How you go do the right date? You go for write letter, professional letter. You write date, 2 dots. You know that poster the way we used to announce disco for village. Dance. You put like 6 exclamation sign. They can add where you put 2 dots. Town hall, date or when venue. Now so the money calculate. It's a bad thing. And if we will not continue for the preach so, other leaders or any other person, people get for the follow the platform and for the learn. Please, where one letter next time Sako coming. Not put date, put 2 dots here. Don't write the date. September 9. Then not put the date for middle. When they talk, they say, the man on be only I tell my daughter, say, time out, go down, don't do this, don't open tap. Now so Sako don't be. You don't be like picking with it 2 years with the all team or talk shout before a year. Looks like they go put date for middle. Date they ever be for you. Corner, you must see, you will know date. You didn't can put date for middle, you say date at the title. Man take date, put date on top press release. Now later they write yesterday, September 9. They can under, he can sign Samuel Sako, president of British Southern Cameroon, only for a paper, he one way and for WhatsApp. And then as he finish sign so, some big media organ for Africa, where I will pull her now and I will see, not be me I write this, you know. And I will see the media organ. And I will tell now why I take interest. That big media organ, it don't go right. Now in that. They can say the African report, now in that so. The very yesterday, on September 9, go for the website, was young. Oh, 8. He said, talking with Tabe, Ayok Tabe, the president of the Recognized Federal Republic of Ambazonia. So, you see, my turn on one thing. Plenty people they confused. Now, just say some. When I talk about Ayok Tabe, some person if you say, first thing I want to make a general clarification, I don't know Ayok Tabe. For my lifetime, for time where I know Ayok Tabe, in the sense what I don't know it, it means say, I don't know it as a person, like I know it one-on-one, no, I don't know it that way. But I know it the person will be there, it for this revolution. We be there in Nigeria, I come up here. The first time I see it for whole year, for down here, for somewhere around Maryland here. That day with the calendar 31st December. If you put my talk time on telephone from time where Ayok Tabe be sit there outside to die go jail, I never talk with Ayok Tabe for more than 25 minutes. Me say, as me I will talk on phone, at the list of Ambazonia and the one I don't talk on them for phone. The only time I talk with Ayok Tabe for phone where I really talk convenient now when Chris Anno be put me on call. Died in Nigeria, they be born in house. He called my reporter, they go check out where they go attend for born in house. That was the only period. So if you imagine man we put your talk where I not even talk with for up to me say he talks a call time, you know at least 25 minutes. But the reason why we're this platform, where God don't bless us because of now, we're the biggest and the strongest, the most viewed. Why would they support Ayok Tabe now? Because for number one, now it motivate me to support Ayok Tabe. Because to be honest, I be like Sako 2 billion times more than Ayok Tabe. All man know. So they put the just say Sako don't bribe me. But I see Sako in wickedness, he heart for treat prisoners, in wickedness. If thief money, still bring confusion to 800,000. Then go for IRS, go declare 1.3 something, almost 1.4 million. Now, by the way, I use this platform for project Ayoktabe and others in jail because Sako be the bring conspiracy. If I be part of that, by now, if I don't die, one of ever do what be. They say, thou shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Now, the highest thing where it cause problem for the world, because if you lie about man, the man, let's matter on one thing. I've been a victim of false witness. Thou shall not. Someone can say, oh, you fight as me be president of Ambazonia. You need to fight a man already. And whether it be or it not be, not concern me. My defense and solidarity for Ayoktabe is based on moral principles and values. Say, man of it, jail, he declare independence. You can't shoot up people them. You cook lies for go sabotage the man because you won't get relevant for continue with the cheat money. My turn, I want to want to know. Now, why that way? Despite the conspiracy against me, this platform don't remain the strongest. And no Sako so they not fight them. Despite I bring documents and bank documents. They say, oh, na lie, na conspiracy, every time of the lie. The very document, they will come up from website for American government. For IRS. Now, no way, no they for deny. They said, oh, that confirm that's authentic. But now they try for mitigate, for do damage control. Say, no, that document, they show the document from this time, no be Ayoktabe, no be Sako. Just see the level for lie. You see something online, all my way, for tax season. Sako day for beginning of 2018, February 4th. You didn't get check when Sako signed up on February 5th. So the guy like saying, no be Sako be in charge of that money. The same people, the way they don't talk say waiting. When they don't talk say, Sisi could one way not believe money. They were right. Because at $31,000. You see now, I will make the balance. Now $31,000 where Sisi could believe about confess. Hopefully. So when they talk on say, Sisi could chop money, do that. The same thing I say, now the very Ambassador Foundation will collect money now. Me they go bring me the tax return because you know if you ever collect money for the country not declare. And all man will pay through that same account. From the time Sako they just start. Ayoktabe going to collect no money from meeting. But yet Sako come now Sako first bring that conspiracy. I don't want to talk to them because when me I didn't meet you tell me something. If I get poor, I don't to disclose the thing online. Whether my enemy, he remains so. Now I know I can talk say when I was with Joshua Carr, he used to say this, that I know. He used to say this and I need to talk. All that one remember that I talk as one way, he be visible for social media. Mommy and Papa them, when I don't show how we write letter, it pass those people. Now African report that today so they talk only about Ayoktabe as president. All the whole world. Even if not be say, now say, even if it be not say, I be which kind of dull man. I don't follow simple instinct for say no, if I go this side, now this side will give you independence quick. What's up? I need paper on the sign now. If some man not write and dance say US not talk say you need to work. How many times I couldn't put in name for president of Ambazonia? Look how many times every letter president. Now it don't change. I don't start put the British Southern Cameroon and me a teacher. First time they put Ambazonia. I can't say they think they so not fine for the two any document they put themselves say Ambazonia this. They felt coach and say I be black leg. Now it can't use the chair be advising for user. Now they say use Sako be which leg. Because you not get any, you not be any color for leg. You know you would confuse your leg with it. Because the thing you do and you not deserve for get color. Yes. You not get for even be green leg, black leg, red leg, you not there among colors. So you don't know. Why would you na rainbow title leg or rainbow leg? Because you get 7 colors, indigo, all time they confuse people. So when I get for know this one, be very clear. So now can't say, oh, every tato, no, so yeah, they don't chop the money, will leave them. No. Something okay now 4 county heads don't take una money, they go give Sako. Because they'll get work cut for them. Then one will be some more times, oh, not be because say draft, not be anything. Yeah, draft not fake, but I be always the one that say some put the 4 victims for contribute that small money. So you don't place your draft, listen the technique, we go use and forget them for their canals. And if you not contribute to still give the money, Sako will help you chop them. Please. Not make no error. When I'm not going to say every time to talk, the discovery for him not contribute. Please, make sure you fulfill your pledge for draft. Sako is hungry. If you not contribute, not going to get any tattoo. But when you technique way, it will help you. Like if you know, you make a good decision. But go contribute your money, draft, please. I beg you now. And Dr. Sako, as they call you, make sure say you chop the money. Oyibo man, I go chop your dollar. Una be sako Oyibo. So just ask your county head. Say we just send you screenshot for bank account for draft. Me you see small history. Now right. Not be personal money. Then you go understand to Eric to the top. Either the money don't be transferred or no man nobody see contribute. Now money they wait for start that small chop for America. So at the end of the day, I give you information. I need to talk say no contribute. I beg. Go there. All of you that have pledged down at 2 billion on place your draft will get to pay telephone bills. As you be aware. Because if for 2018, we bills and 5G of young camp, person pay bill for 150,000. Phone bill, telephone. Even Jeff Bezos, the man will get Amazon, my man. All federal workers, MBA for Maryland, they never use phone bill for one. I call MBA when high speed they use telephone for the country. MBA. Because they all license they pass. Go check and they never use telephone bill for that kind of money. So if for 2018, B-Way will not get 5G and the rest, man use 150,000. So now they will contribute that money for draft. It's very important. We have to keep the communication on. Yeah, in a part of the world. So no can talk say everything I want to say more than not contribute because they want me to ban ABC, me the ABC stop. As all if ban and all the documents and where they run on Facebook, everything on La Republic, I beg. You don't call me Arab, which kind Lego. I don't know the color of a Lego now give me that. So I want to encourage you now. When I go give you money, maybe you have to pay more bills. 5G don't come now. People they go pay bill, they go fly, they go sleep for hotel. Please draft all your money. Not make any man don't place your draft. Go and give your money. You help us. People need to pay those telephone bills. Yes. Because at the end of the day, the kind of food you saw after this. At the end of the day, you ask yourself the question. Say, how come people fit take money? Might just analyze one thing. $50,000 for going to Nigeria. If you buy one gun for $2,000, 10, 20, you will buy 25 guns. They boy them, this Sako boy them stand will not sleep us. Only if one D boot, now $100, one D boot, if now $100 for one D boot, where some they not rich. You go buy the boot, say I'm a human being, a person, stay for a year, buy the boot, new one for carton, and this, and I go tell my house. He called me, say he one can't get. I say no. If I get for drive, I get for respect you, because forget the intention for put some man out of pins and nails for inside bush. You deserve respect. Who be Eric Tato? Why not drive? Go take the boot. So if Christian will be used, he been a good man as a pastor, forget solidarity to fighters. If I even move even $2,000 inside there. If you buy with 20 boots, then the special force with all man those slippers. They forget now waiting. They forget boots at least. No, you know, why would you talk this thing right? Make man, I want me mommy them for down refugees and they understand. I don't ever go to cut some person video, bring a here audio because now, you know, support is so them, they gonna one work. When I do video, that own work and I go take my video. Cut and put one for a top, do one go this side. Say Lido go this side, Drab go this side, you want a green leg, a black leg. But they need to talk about money, where's Sakoti from? Now. Ma come. Ma show us something. So all we will know, one thing we get for know. Anytime when you see player fee, I want to show you one example. Muna take una eye chop Christmas. When you see player, don't you go put a US football team because if I go put La Republique on command, I will say, hey, it is showing example for La Republique. You see player, and then I go see na go there so. See player, mommy, see player, you see what you for foot. Ball, na your own weapon, your own gun, and then you get boot and socks. Anything, the first thing where player. The put that way, look when player the dress, you get shin guard, you get socks, you get boots. So when they put on that tongue and not buy, you must protect yourself. But you take money, 50,000, you go to Nigeria, you go for flight. Some persons say, or some people they claim, say, okay, now Sako don't take the money, we'll do her, and so on and so forth. The one that goes so and so, some Sako is so good. Now they need to deny again, because it be too clear. It's obvious. But now just say out of frustration and weakness, because for accepting, come to the part of the truth. Not be easy thing. Out of frustration and weakness, and not even agree, then please make sure say click on share and you like this video. If you didn't follow the page, go follow the page. So we say no more leave what rich boy before we do this thing. I tell you one thing. It don't not be see the first value for human being is to denounce wrong thing. And the first value that. Because if all will be together ideology say more leave a revolution is a revolution. And there is no calendar for punishing a thief. If that's all man be say more leave before rich boy, we too for leave me be I just say okay, don't just kill up put them more leave. Because if you look at technically and in a clearer terms, the highest person where it don't cause the death of Ambazonians and Sako. Because if Sako be that wicked, when I hear Paul Legato say, oh, that's 600,000, Sako don't know him, I tell you one thing. If Sako not be know, you get the point? If a camp all say, okay, now 811,000, 600, they want to know him. If they did for year, you know, every year about 600, Sako will know so we get people Tabenya. So money be involved with consent Tabenya. Est-ce que c'est that they talk about Tabenya and the other person? They talk them, they word and avoid to say, that money they talk say invest, that's 800,000. Tabenya get do it today and so on. Support that criminals and they are activists that show there's a first argument that now when that one don't pass, we don't say, okay, no problem. We don't dash you now. Tabenya, Sako, John get one, I think we dash you that 811,000, no problem. Now tell you, don't talk about show, say even a 1 million dash you now. Wait till you want Sako, you do 600. So we never understand. Say any human being ever live their life above conspiracy and you respect values. Value means say when you see truth, every don't defend man, I don't come sometimes. Listen, sometimes silence is important. Not every I see on Sako show where they say, oh, that document is in La Republic, don't do this, they don't put ahead because UN Security Council they can't. See how they ridicule Sako further. La Republic go put document for US website. Wait, you know what to be IRS? Uncle Sam for the country. American website. If I go bring that document when I lie, they don't arrest me to not for the document for it. But if they there for website, all my people follow the steps. You go see money where Sako declare them. Now they come now. When no, they don't tie now, they stay after 4 days, they bring the man with him, and how many teeth them. Man of any number of teeth them waiting for a month. You can't know how IRS work for America. So tell some person, you go follow that kind of person, say, you hear talk, say, tax do it, tax do her. Man will say medical doctor, now only person where they treat person for hospital. The definition of a medical doctor. Now listen. May be very clear. Sako na armed robber. Now why that way, he don't struggle all way with all WhatsApp videos. He never succeed. For convince any reasonable person say if he lead this revolution. No international media never ever call Sako president of Ambazonia. No one. Because an armed robber cannot be a president of a country. No, we'll be honest, right? When you talk values, it matters. For America, you don't ever accuse a senator. Say he passed corner side with $10,000, he resign. He said no because of the integrity of the state and resigning. You know because accused mayor, for instance, America say this was some $200,000 be disappeared for corona money today. He resign first before he go clean the image. But Sako not be resign because people can say me Sako resign. He resign what he say if he own waiting. But the one not be accusation. Now two of them see for US website. You see 600,000 siphoned from our money. Like some brother talk from Canada, say he understand because accountant say they so even have 2 accounts. So when they go for audit, they go declare one, then they go have American government declare other 2 because your cash flow not be higher than for American government. I'm not going to wait till they calculate now because we don't know the procedure. We wait next tax. Might not inform them in advance. So we'll find the next tax. So we'll know all the money for travel. We'll know how much you will take and how much you spend. As they claim. So no sign up to go get their tax document. They'll go change the name, we don't know the name. But one man said that group will still come. We will come all tax offices. So I can't say who gave you the right to disclose somebody's tax listing. Ask IRS how they do get tax stuff. So now let's suppose they calculate, say, you know, I mean God help them, because now, you know, the day between me, I be lion, I stand for here. Then that side na tiger. This side na mboma. This side so na pit. Big valley, then fire the bond inside. So all the four sides. So suppose they stand for me. I be the best option. Only me I will help them. They feel can only for me because I only chop them for social media. IRS na tiger, you know, if you go that side. This side, so the only option they get them, because if they go declare, since how the confusion not tight for support any year with the candidate tax here. If they go declare for IRS, I'll get the information. I'll cut the Amazon for say support the thief. They will be flocked socially, medially. But if they not declare, IRS will follow. They say they don't take money and not declare. Then that this thing will go. I see good standing for business means say you declare a tax. If you make $1, so far you declare being good standing. So IRS will follow them. Then this side na Mboma, when at the state of Maryland, we go put bad standing. And then this side na Valley, when our people the way they probably pay the money they wait for tax returns. So now me, I be the lion way, I go just I be surely shark, I go swallow them, then go like they call him na Jonah no. Man no can tell like Chris. And if you ask Chris Aaron, I say, who did the shark swallow? Chris Aaron go tell you na Jesus. Because the man is all tired confused. Your name will just resemble the opposite one. So as I be talk, we will see follow up the next tax session. Forget Sakwe tax, the tax for Ambazonia Foundation. Some man say Ambazonia Foundation as a will be created, and so on and so forth. When you hear that kind of story, you see that Tabenya be created. So what? I think create Telegraph today. Nobody claim so. When I fear on name again, because when I don't get Tabenya Ambazonia Foundation, when I the team way, when I call and say interim government, when I government, then I see when I want to say no, when I get Ambazonia Foundation, not Tabenya. Then when I see you call and I say interim government, because I always deny things that we can't say for money issue. So the people of Southern Cameroon must understand, say values must be respected. Now, would you see struggle for go Ambazonia? Person already take money, he cut the money into two, he hide one, tell we one. We no want get our country. They will get our country. This man will surely, you there where also there is why my can tell you say sorry, the president has sold this place. Yes, he get the tendency for say even picking the way they do for even your agri-farm for your backside. That's an armed robber. No man no hate Sako. But it don't make itself the most hated ambassador, most wanted. Una imagine say, una can go 20-something weeks after draft. Una this is struggle for can't tell people the stories about how una for do things them. They will say they don't go block Nigeria, don't do this. We clap for them. Go to Liberia, go buy God. Go Sierra Leone, all side they buy God. Now before I continue to talk about that thing, I'm going to go now for the breaking news from Barrister Fujonso. I want to thank Fujonso. But no thanks. Say I don't clear. So Fujonso don't see document on the circulate online. Keep sharing as you join. So he see document. It is circulate. It is circulate. Fujonso look at so. He said no. This is not possible. He don't carry Sakoko to a police station. He write complaint. So if you don't say he not going to leak, but unfortunately. Some person where we get some papers on bar yesterday where they talk, a recorder where they talk food also say no for inside bar for Maryland here. And they always talk proofs. And I want to say when they call me go ABC TV, go check or make up because him or romance, they say no so all the last they do work now ahead of time. So that when that case go start for this thing, you know, that's how they condole themselves, they console themselves and say they talk say. Maybe every time to say FBI. Now, what I see for the beginning of my video is that I played some short video where it shows the FBI do investigation for 3 years or 4 years before it finally can catch on Nigerians where they take money. Billions. So the one is small. So Fujonso see document is circulate. Say legal fees. Sako declare for IRS. Legal fees. Say Fujonso collect. Fujonso in trouble. Expenses. So he say they give Fujonso 129,000 US. I'm saying 130,000. Now so Sako declare. Now the thing come with me say na money wey Fu Johnson take and go be house of Douala on how. Fu Johnson see that he craze. He don't go write complain. He live on for 3rd District Police Station for Prince George's County for Maryland. I got the audio here. But I will follow deontology and the legality for playing audios in America. So if the audio leak for social media, not be me. And they say they'll start crying, say, no, na you. And if you fear, yes, go for day, go claim say na me. Me go cut, me show me that they leak the audio. So you go for banner, the top, say, you cannot imagine. This people came here, they did this. Now they're going and declare that I took $130,000 US. Food Johnson wipe the food. The audio is here. He go immediately. He don't go write complaint, put that against Sako now. For any man go online, go find 3rd District Police Station. I think you now around the area, they for Barlow Road, for land over. How they give me a check and make sure the police station they exist. I don't see the police station. Food Johnson complain. So I know say they can't call and say, me go talk say, did you give a complaint and so on? Except the Food Johnson being a doorman for go to declare, say you know, give police complaint online. So the police complain that they don't talk say for the discussion for bar. Somebody recorded and sent to me. And I talk so all man knows side the bar, there's some bar for some area for Silver Spring. Now the day with the mango, the drink, the hungry, don't drink the talk. You know, you don't have a size phone, you talk, the whole mom now speak. He talk because me don't enter extra talk. They say, Power Bed Master, you took money from this. They say, no, my boy. I did not, this is universal, it must be the past. He said, they say, but the man cost Sako for there. Mimbo the help. Mimbo the help. He cost Sako. Then after they can't talk now after say, but you people will see. I've launched my complaint, I'm going to stay quiet because they cannot come and take me and do what and so on. It is a bad thing. And I want to appreciate Barrister Fu Johnson for the step way taken. Whether they go do it to you, we will know the end for the issue. Because my crypto boy at the show for yesterday, they give Fu Johnson 129,000. Mommy and Papa them. Now I analyze them. And then when I listen, the magic what I think can put herself. If not, we say Sako really wicked. So in part of the audio, if I want to analyze it, Fu Johnson they say he remember say some one time the way Sako be don't send me just 1 minute. Man, make sure say we have to jot the audio this minutes for the audio so that all man will know. In case he leak you, they remember to have it up. Good. For the 1 minute 42 seconds, Fu Johnson talk inside the audio. He talk inside the audio say Sako beyond send some money today. Only money cash and bulk for Sako. Where Sako be send and make this for a person for down for Boya. Now 11,000 where they send them in splits. Where Sako now get all the residents. Sako be send and the purpose. He say he get screenshot for Chadi and Sako $11,000. So that money will not be taken away. Sako is not a personal business. Sako now just use Fu Johnson his signature. He manipulate the bid and for legal bid. He just sign legal bid, put Fu Johnson signature, he collect and so Fu Johnson claim. But Fu Johnson, you cannot escape. You are the person who took that legal fee. So you're gonna pay to the Ambazonian people. Not can talk now because you don't go drink for bar, you want to free yourself. No. All another one. We know we Sako on Sako on the way tip and we know Christian own. Now you want to dodge your own thing and put on those Sako head. You see how the party behave? It deny flat. But even if you listen now, you say it will be Fu Johnson you get for dinner. And I will explain why. From 2000, that's the cash is could listen. When I see for the guy talk, say only the legal fee alone, it get for sell you. It get for make sure say you got to know say if you can't claim say the tax not the under Sako, they no get sense. The cash is for January 5th. Sako took ever for January for September for February 4th. 1 month after, exactly 1 month. Fu Johnson come into the picture. They start spending money. Look how much money when they write about Fu Johnson $130,000. Man convert that into CFA so that you in Nigeria. When the refugee when you get rice or chop, you look how much money claim say he give man when a lawyer. Even for America, you know we hire lawyer for that kind of money for that case. 130,000. It be equivalent to 75 million. CFA 75 and that way they say they give Fu Johnson. Fu Johnson don't go deny it. If don't take and go for police, say you don't see that kind of money. So Sako be the sign, because even now you know normal. Say for 11 months, you go give some man, you go wait, even if you do case, because Sissoko they be fair be. Look the side of the thief when Sako that thief they come up, because they can't claim so, oh, we spend money for Sissoko and the rest. But for 8 months from that they catch Sissoko, you already spend legal fee. No man will be outside Sissoko today. And no man will spend no money for legal fee. So as food also don't come out, Sako just take the advantage. He just start to use the money, go come out 75 million. But you don't get gun, you don't get shoes for fight for that. Refugee not get chop. Mommy happy, family they suffer. Baby matter and mommy they suffer, and papa they suffer. Some so a woman and the family they didn't rich. All man they suffer, then Sako they go sign 75 million CFA. Say na legal fees. Legal fee for poor in Communicado will not be no side the day. That very Sissoko and the rest. Their families, they be the struggle, put money together, barrister should fight them. Now the family will defeat them. If you ever remember, imagine the people who raise money, $8,000 for give food on so. May they go for court for your own debate. You see, go see legal fee. So they be, because food on so be the talk sense. Say not take that money, because if you take that money, we will raise $8,000. If you go 9,400. When I remember that show, it was them, me, Joshua, and Mark Barretta. We raise that money, we give 1,400 for Fako, we give 8,000 for food on so. Where they can't get probably in a barrister up to all. That was the same period. Then, if truly said food on so they receive that money, that was 75 million. Sako for object. Because I remember say the day when they give that money for food on so, Cabinet came there, the hand away, Sako was there. Food on so the Cabinet for Sebastian in Banquet House. If you go, they talk that he go down, they go do that lockdown, then food on so receive that money. Now the 8,000 that way they take barrister Aldo Oro. When I remember very well, food on so even call for live show me and you one-on-one, he congratulations. And that money we make and they bring that document for Sissoko from Nigeria, that citizenship and refugee stuff them. Now money with this Erica to a platform race up. Only $8,000 will do. He pay all that legal fee, bring lawyer from Nigeria. But Chris Ann will come out the very I forgot the very Nigeria. The very Nigeria use 50,000. We not go do nothing. So all we not get for know, not get for understand. We not get for understand the situation. Just one quick minute. So we must know whose side we stand. In a revolution like this, conscience matter. How wicked a man like Sako be. Now in that the document don't come out, they did it online. Not be me, I put on a Sako, take a hand, he write a bill, he go give American government saying, what did you spend for legal fees? And it was easy for you for food on to acknowledge. Now food on they can't go deny. That is a complication for them. Legal fee way, no lawyer for Cameroon. He not receive even 500,000 for food on so. All the lawyers have testify. Now they get case of police. Only them. Tomorrow now Chris Anno will come to convince food on so. I see them now. Food on so what can I go for buy the bet na bet. You cannot even buy a common Heineken for $5 for yourself. Now they'll find maybe some small money drive you. I like it because now power get a sense. You know say the difference between your declaration for police and declaration for Facebook page. Josh Novi will you liable for a declaration for Facebook, if not be defamation. But if you lie for police, you don't under oath because they assume you're an officer. So if you don't go talk to police, say, you don't know not about the money, okay, that's good. If you can't talk, say, no, you're not go talking for police. You're not getting no wait time for court. You know if you take a video, go talk, say, you know talk to police. Or say yes, you know if you disclose it talk of police with investigation, you go on. So the best way for take you off is leave now, but they say, you don't talk nothing for police, and there's nothing you can do about that. So I like the way the case they go, the matter they go. Ambazonians. No man he can't talk say he hit some person. The worst person where if you for any revolutionary person where they thief money meant for the fighters. I'll show you something. Any man will ever contribute for me, I always can't read that. Make sure say all man see who side the money to go and they get back the results. Take for example, yesterday. Cash App. I'll read them. One name. Any man where you not hear a name, where you know say you send your money and not read your name for you. Please call my number now. 9174801068. Talk now and put the receipt. Press the thing for you. The screenshot where you send the money and not read them. Me all ambassador this year. It will never happen. If I omit them, I will take the responsibility for accept life. Yesterday, Sister Rosemary, you sent $25, but Cash App cancel them, send them back for you. You don't receive the money back. If Sister Rosemary, they're going to say I don't get true. Only yesterday, I always say this, they don't go block my Cash App. They don't want to hear when I talk about money. Because they know, wait to say that the most effective platform the way they use money. When you announce, you do, you execute. They blocked the Cash App yesterday for $25. Brother Christopher, you send $50, they cancel them back, send them for you, and nobody receive them. Yes, that announcer, I will see announcer and say, I received $100 for brother Richard. You if I do request yesterday, I send you text and over see him, you will send the money, come $100. Brother James, you send $50. I don't forget that all. Brother Norbert, you send $50. And Brother Henry, you send $100. Now wait that way, I don't receive them for Cash App. Any man will don't send Cash App. If I not read their name, call now for 917-480-1068. Report me for a year for the Ambazonian people. You come for Zell, brother Ayok, I'll call you one name. You sent $200 this morning. Brother Kletos, you sent $200 yesterday. Victor, you sent $100 yesterday. I will take the boot for you. Now the boot is. Now, 1 minute, please. Any other man don't read that. I'll go now for. So person send. So one person $28. Sellers get for check and PayPal. Tell me $28 or $24 for PayPal. I don't remember the person name, but I received the notification. Then for receipt. Now in this, one of our brothers, he sent for rare. He sent how much? Mercy. Now the body go this. I'll find the amount. Okay, $45. Now in this. For rare. Now the receipt is right here. He sent $45. And now I see receive them. Even though that boy say 100, not receive them. So any man way you don't do your contribution. Me, I need amplify, I need reduce. Because everything get time. If you lie for increase, because you want to say, oh, put the contribution through me, I'll be the best, you will face a penalty. The penalty will be now say you'll get pressure and your fellow can be seen as a dishonest person anyhow you go. If you reduce, some man will come talk say, you know I read it in and you'll be looked upon as being dishonest. So the truth is the only thing where it is set anybody free for. Anything you do away involve pour their blood. That's the fact. Now by the way, when some man, some person can talk, say Eric that or this, I just look them, they say they decrease. We know talk 1 and 2 and the same thing one time. Now by the way, the other time for my show, I be talk about people that for Philippines and Dubai. I be separate my followers and talk about Sako followers for Philippines and Dubai. Because all my main noise of Dubai say support Sako. Now the poorest Ambazonia. Because no man for license needs to. They will be honest. You say I don't vex them, they go. And that's what I like. What all this side will ever start talking about money they run because they don't have nothing to show for. All we must stand firm on the truth. So nobody should go make what you say, every type of disease, no. Receipts. Now when I think I'm to pull out my own for IRS saying I receive this psychotic money. So all we will understand very well. It be very important. So person say not see the receipt fine. Which you want to call the receipt? But when some person complain either for your show, he complain out of curiosity, you get for show you. You point at the money, I will show you the money. Wait for the receipt. $45. So I should announce him the money that. And I said the way the person send the receipt, you need to come up fine. 45. Anyway, I don't read that. If the person say a bit less, me help me correct them or more me correct them. That'll be good. So before I end this show, I will tell we say one thing the way all we don't see them for the revolution. Now the truth be only set we free. And I thankful John Soda and not thank him. Say he don't come for his senses. For can make sure say he talk the truth at least. Some people they record and send about it. Now the wider way, when I began talking about this receipt thing, put a surprise I do go get them. Some man just should not hint you every inside Sakwe come. You must, people will always tell you, person there any side where they record something, it is you talk for WhatsApp, you talk to some person there for a WhatsApp, you don't just press record, you did there. He press record inside me, inside Eric Tato. He just Eric Tato, he press record. He just come to me, so bam, I just listen and I say, this is my person. All things, so any side, listen, even I don't want 10 or 20, not to the correct Tato, you know, here. So man, the way I'm a die-hard fan, he must send me the way they talk. Because he knows I'm going to protect you. Even for club, for bar, any side here, out here. So I see, so I end up here, I know I see 10 people, I know say, this man should not be my person. I salute all man, salute, Perina, war, so shake you, I say, Bona, how? He have a cut here. How the man salute all man, no man, so he salute me separate. They say, I be over a man. You know, some way they interpret for man. Where you salute, I say, Bo, how far up you? Then you salute all man, no man. So you don't make a me some distinction. They mean no say, he not be over a man, but the way salute like over, say, you know, therefore something is not right. Just give the message, but you need to tell nothing. They go, she on the shark. That kind of man self, she don't go a corner, put your mimbo. Shark, where you want go? You say, Bo, my mimbo do, you know, put out a corner, you go piece can, they pass, go take new one. You open and back. They go to say, why the man not drink mimbo? So now, so you open with that kind of people, them. You torment you for your 30 minutes waiting for a corner. Torment you very well. Now, your own bitter pill that way go swallow for your hand. Because every tattoo must get enemies. And he must get friends. He must get for the being different about you. Jesus Christ, the hard saying. That's the point. So we must remain consistent on the path. Now, we don't see him. One man go thief 600,000. He hide them. Then some man can talk say, no, we won't live our rich boy. Which boy? Where are your values? Where are your values? Where are your values? Not tell you one thing. You see the way God did? Ambazonia don't already win this war. And so I must stay on the message of cleansing for the longest time possible. You see, even the childish thing. Someone got to say, now UN Security Council wants to sit. Now, Sakwe put that the ones that they talk about UN Security Council. Say that UN Security Council wants to sit now, where they go bring distraction from my trip, boy. UN Security Council, they see Trump, they bring Israel, and the other part, they sign peace deal for Washington. How did they distract UN Security Council? UN Security Council, they see, they arrest people, they take money for coronavirus for California. Why America not complaining a distraction? Now only Una, Sakwe put in a we not ever agree. And we know one thing, the most important thing. Now say, I did do this show. Now for that 5 or 10 people, the way Sakwe don't hire and they pay them, they talk of Facebook. Now for you, where they listen to me. So that you know where you go put your money. I prefer me give your money for Sakwe directly. Me chop the thing so that you know. Say, yeah, I didn't man not chop. And nobody say, you go give a county head. County head take a chop. They go sack the county head, set up the county head. County head man not get away for talking for social media now. You say, no, you see, I sacked him. I call for audit. The man did a pobia. Pobia the chop money, sack minister. All man say, no, na correct man. That's what they think they. So, please, give your money directly to Sako. Make it help una for chop the money very well. Now, the only part the way I like una, all the Sako show I like una. Because I'm the only person that don't write book say, take your granite and give it to the rat. Now on a book title, on a book that. Very nice people. Una go ahead. Una go. Since una say boya, my president, this, now I only fear for even open and up call and say president. Because una be the only people that get the only people who na own president. If you take una own money 600 times height and can't tell una less. Yes, una give. Please, I beg, don't relent. Make sure say you take your money. You go direct, you go give Sako the money. Doctor Common Sense, don't spare them. Chop the money too very well. That's your duty. Don't, no guns, no shoes. Your policy that you don't buy them. You only like you have a chop. One man will chop one bucket crap for 1 million. What we talk about? Say no, not alive, no see him. Now Food Johnson has refused. Say no, you're not taking that money. Who's a Sako step now? All man, the vomit Sako out. Even the old man where they used to thief together. You go say Food Johnson take 75 million for 1 year. He take a how? Now which lawyer will take the money? Bring paper where the lawyer has signed for Cameroon. For take the money in the legal fees. So we must all get the point. So I don't see how much I don't read them for the Anna where people they give them. They already blocked the cash app yesterday. But they put the way I read the name, so they return them for them. I don't read them. I will still talk. Say when they do the thing and so on, I need look. Put some point in look. If you not buy boot, send your own money to send for boot. I'll go buy the boot, can't show. Please. We need for give 5,000 boot. So before one go today, me all man listen very attentive. We don't watch the show with thousands. In our life, we can hear story about how they take money. But when come say, okay, when I took him money, they go fight. When I start, they make do one turn, check your phone, look so one man go check your account like 6 times for see how much it is. But don't be a fault. All this thing goes back to Sako for a T-free. So we don't see the situation don't be very much resolved. So people don't see. Go for the website. You see the T-free. On peut the text me block Raymond Charger. Raymond Charger now say I don't even see. When I leave when I don't leave the Raymond Charger, maybe make the opinion maybe mix. It be important. Okay, I think I don't see the person. Okay, I'll block one. I want the one. You get carry a picking. Okay, it's blocked. Very good. Okay, very good. Without the remote charger, they don't feel any comment again. I will block you. So going forward, ladies and gentlemen, I want to come very clearly say when our revolution they back on track, and we continue to thank all man with the watch show. We not be thank on enough. The Ambazonian National Army they get donations at least, no matter how small, but every day. Now new one day yesterday. So you might say 100 for the give boots. We don't go far away. And that's what we are supposed to do. So if you don't fit buy boots, send the money. Indicate for this now for boot. Just send for me, call me, say now for boot. The next day you see. Second put the day, all I will go get it. So I don't put now my interest, first of all, looking at what is going on. We're picking a fight with slippers. I don't tell an example for player and ball. If we succeed, forget boots and simple military hardware, everything will be good for the soldiers. Cash App yesterday already blocked. If you like to try, you know, say the money will come back for you. Don't block them. That is no problem. That is no problem. Cash App don't be blocked. But any man waiting for any site, any man for any site, I don't do that PayPal. ntelegraph@gmail.com. I'll put the paper for them all man with the why now for Europe, you for Dubai, you for Canada, any site you want, go there, put everything a $25, a $50, a $100, say for boots for this. You don't need to put that or nothing. You don't even indicate the reason. Put that for this screenshot their own, send them for me inbox, say now for boots. They'll go and buy the boot for that purpose. We forget initiative, forget material for the 5,000. We get to make sure say everything be according to plan. And they talk severally. And if you ever come up, rarely will come for the platform to say you will contribute, you will do this, you will do that. We will not do that kind of thing. Because time the day we say so if we take our initiative or know what to do for make sure the soldiers will be okay. No, but you say calculator. Say for how many years you never every time never can say, oh do this. Nobody can say that. But small assistance and my personal effort, we don't be able to sustain the revolution at our own level. You there for day, watch show, enjoy show. One boot, like how our brother Victor bring boot, give boot show. That is what you are supposed to do. The other brother be buy doctor, the other doctor be buy, I think that's 6 boots. The other man done 0 yesterday, the other thing, the military thing, they will be shown yesterday. Please. I'll give you now the Zelle. And anybody get my normal number with you on Facebook, the 917-480-1068. Now Zelle. If you send that, I will still receive it. Or you send number 202-905-8701. So man, if you guys the number for them. 202-905-8701. Any mind watch me, go there, download Zelle. Or if you not get Zelle, call me and say hi. Go you send them. You give something for a boot. $100, $50, go help me to buy this thing and keep them. People they say I'm picking a bit encouraged. So people ask a very good question. And when the question do look like now question for set up DAC. You won't contribute for that. When they talk about humanitarian and the best platform, not only that they represent the humanitarian organizations and the refugees on the ground. But you know, somebody want to say, you want some yet to suppress the cut off say, may you do how make you go money for boot for give military, me go send her for that. Go get that. Me that decide what you for do. But that no can't tell you where you say you give them money for you me go buy gun or wait because I know see some questions. This now for set the organization because that don't get a clear path. That need to complain, you need to fight no man, you need to insist, you need to declare wrong figures a day for day. Whether they get that 20,000 for 10 years or now money when na community money. So if you want to support that, go for the website www.darkcommunity.com. Put there and donate. That's what we should be doing. That will raise funds in the days ahead. So all we will get to understand. So when I don't see the effort, what they put on. And all ambassadors, if you watch me for any part of the world, use your conscience. Say, at least I want to buy one boot for the fighters. One or two. Send $100, $50, $200, any amount. Indicate the purpose. Do that, and then the boot they will be bought and they will be shipped when it be appropriate. So if you want to send something for PayPal, send screenshot. You want to send a rare, call me, I'll give you instruction. And all donations will be read here and they will be executed accordingly. 202-905-8701. That is Zelda. Man, make sure say I not make mistake. So that Mr. Man not talk say. So wherever you watch, when you watch this show, please make sure say you don't forget. Yeah, the number that 202-905-8701, or you send up for 9174-801068. Now, the PayPal and telegraph@gmail.com. Get them very clearly. When you send your screenshot to me for any of the numbers of WhatsApp, indicate the purpose. And we will execute that according to your command. If you want to buy me, they buy a boot, or me they buy a jacket, or me they buy something, make sure say you indicate. If listen, we don't want to talk about forgive the soldiers and chop, forgive them first aid or medication. No, it's a whole complex situation, and we ask some person say give $25. There is no propaganda. We no can't say someone will give 25, go get 250. You know ever happen because me I will put myself in trouble. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I will read the information once more. You do whatever I want to do, and if you don't want to do, I'm not money force you. But I say, make you not expect say you get victory if you need the assist or contribute for the right channels. I better announce about the project for Anna yesterday. Say we will start sister people. I better make small note. I will surely drop and day at the end of today. And once you drop the note, they will start take action. Man not contribute, will take it out. Man the Gang Zero will transfer for Anna Gang Zero and will vet any my for Gang Zero. I must know you before I put for Anna Gang Zero. We will not take some military man. Go put out innocent civilian there. So all man get for know that fact. Now we don't there for level where some my brother the host of meeting some meeting today with my brother which is Salas where they will talk about calling senators and they will brief me more today. I will talk about them tomorrow extensively. Why tomorrow I also talk about this new thing where Dr. Zama they bring her up for gather information for the Ambazonian people where it concern now it's time for us to honor our fallen heroes and start documenting all those who have been killed by the Republic during our War of Independence. So I will bring out all the information tomorrow in tomorrow's show for read everything where you also if you send any information, videos, and any other information, but make sure say me all man work hard for get all information where it work consistently with our revolution. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I will leave the show so we don't watch and I'll be very happy and satisfied. Say, all when I don't come to follow the show. And Fuji also don't make another big revelation with all man this year. Like we talk, if you not be a supporter for the ideology for Anna and for support me the world go ahead, we need to beg you forever contribute. But if you buy one boot, you go for one fighter, go help the fighter. Now all of us, some people say I've been promised to talk about sacred call, but advice, people don't advise me contrary, and I think I will respect the advice. If you want my proof for Anna group, please write me for any of these numbers. Say add me on the Anna group. The cash app now still my WhatsApp, but you need to go for Zelle. You can all the two number them. No one will get Zelle. If you send anything, you send me screenshot. 202-905-8701 or 9174 9174-801068. Any of them, send me screenshot and indicate the purpose. 202-905-8701 or 9174-801068. The PayPal will be now ntelegraph@gmail.com. Just small n, then telegraph, like the telegraph we know, at gmail.com. Now PayPal that. So anywhere we do, make sure you make a support for our purpose. So all we will get to understand exactly the situation. At least buy one boot, or 2, or 3, or 5, or 10. Yes, that's how we're supposed to do. Because once the boy the get boots them, it be no man, no player any enter 11 players a day for fee. The fee get a one ball they kick and back, all man will get boots and socks and shingai. So this basic equipment that they give fighters in power. So all we get to understand. Any man way if you listen to me, listen very, very attentive. So we'll continue to thank everybody for talk say me all man way na an Amazon and me get faith. So our revolution day on track. So I thank everybody don't watch me. I will read the number then one last time 202-905-8701 or you go for 9174-801068 or use PayPal when I ntelegraph@gmail.com. That's it. Send your contributions, indicate the purpose, and you get your feedback. That's how we operate. We'll end this show for thank once more the CDN, Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation, where they don't be on our issue. And we'll be very happy, very, very happy. See, this Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation don't continue to push ahead, which we will need and will be substantial for this revolution. So, but right, I was just saying that guns, not boots, bro. Of course, you are right. But I want to make a say if boot not the gun, not fide. So you get to get basics. You know, if you buy a gun for $100 or $25. So we try to buy one will motivate them. If people they see 100 boys they wear boots, they stand, they wear t-shirt, they get everything, they don't get they get 2 guns or 3 guns, people will be motivated for buy more guns. But if 2 people they wear 2 guns, it costs about $4,000. Then all the 150 empty food, my man, it will be like a joke. So that's why they talk so now wisdom. We follow to military advice. We get put away when they give you the things of the advice we waiting me. If you look US soldier, US Army, National Guard, where you look them, they come in for play the one kind of shape of a market. Which is give them the prestige. They didn't carry gun initially. Only the uniform, if you fear for go to the corner. Uniform be important. When you see student from afar, which defend those and a student, na a uniform. He gun and a book and a pen inside a bag. That one more come. So we agree, say gun be very important, just as pen and book be important for students, but uniform too be very, very motivational. So with the back all man, when we do this thing, we calculate every day on how we get to the guns. We don't really know, so we divide them into committees, assign for them, and they buy that stuff. Now, so we have to move forward. The war will end tomorrow. Because even with the follow now, say, lucky, say, God bless you, now my eye clear and not do Osako. Because if I be see the Osako for everything for like they draft, because at the end of December, the war for don't end, because they'll say, okay, every time you support my people by the chopper, you go support draft the chopper. We will be in a big shit. But thank God say we realize very, very powerfully, and then we'll probably make sure say, okay, I will just block some one man for they call it Achiri. Might just leave you. I think it's not too matter. Next time if you make any other data comment, you will send out. So we almost understand. It be systematic. It be systematic. We need to get a strong base for getting more contributions coming in. And people they prepare themselves into 2, 3, and 4 for make sure they buy these guns. And we'll do it. Gradually, we're gonna do it. Excuse me. So one time our brother Victor for the boot. Thank all man for everything. And we'll be strategic and then we'll put our hands on deck. Please, any man don't listen to me. If you get anything you want to do, call my number. Cash App, most people of America, UK, now they cannot cash up, but our cash app don't be blocked only yesterday. Just for $300 away for the contributor. What are we there for? They just call report and for cash app. But we'll fight ourselves if open and back. They don't block and they open and they don't block and now. So don't get for the send. If you like, you send, I go see and say, I will try for cash and send and back for you. I don't call brother Christopher and sister, the other sister was Mary, where you try when I send money, they send them back. That is very okay. If you get the means to send them back, cool. Through Zelle or PayPal, that will be fine. But if you not send them again, that's still not an issue. So I will thank you so much for when I don't listen to the show. And for to say all the watch more continue to thank God for grace, because now which that will be most important. Grace be very important. And we'll play now our president music. I will invite all man with the hashtag CDN, 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 so that all we will make sure say we'll get exactly these people them encouraged for do the good work that they do. I thank all sequestrators where they don't post the resolution from US Senate. At least we know I see the one from Switzerland, but they get the courage for post one from US Senate. That shows a very good faith. So they come back for two of the talk. Now UN and US elite. All my tongue are UN and US and so on. You don't just mind to say they go Swiss embassy. What talk tomorrow, Sako they go organize protest, they go Swiss embassy, go talk say, where is the Swiss talk? That two go they fine. So me all man make sure say we thank Full John so for the big step we don't go report Sako for police. And then we thank the CDN. As I talk, me all man always hashtag CDN. Coalition for Dialogue and Negotiation. They do a great job. We thank them very much and we remain very grateful for what they do for trying to push all the diplomacy and all the ways that they bring Cameroon to the table. Go play our president music and for thank you anytime. And if you ever thanks the sick, say if you not be Sako, they will not for the whole now. Revolution for don't end. So thank God very much for the sacking of the man we don't. Look what you do. You know if you take money, you go declare this amount can't keep 600,000. Nobody does that. Nobody does that. Then when I want to talk to someone, say no, it focus for boy. It focus because my teach me the joke. It show you the other focus. So that anytime you fool, you can give money for you. That's what they did. So we'll be happy. And the most important is say international community they only recognize it as a thief. They not ever recognize the president of Ambazonia. Although you get 15 posts for WhatsApp where they will you say the president. Independence not for WhatsApp group. President recognition for country not for WhatsApp group. You never hear WhatsApp where people for Syria they do. You never hear. You need to hear WhatsApp. You never hear. So now I want to ask you, and I'll ask the question for my next show. Say you don't hear WhatsApp group for DRC. You don't hear DRC people that talk because WhatsApp now and I say it be inscripted now and in closed society. Now only people for that particular area they be interested for their own thing them. So where you call yourself, say you call someone say president on a 15 for WhatsApp group. No say it the end now for inside on a cycle. They need to go internationally. So now when we get the poor get the international platform, now we just sell the Amazonian thing out there. So one thank all my way you follow the show for to say may God bless you. God bless you wonderfully. Don't forget 202-905-8701 or 9174-8010. I'll check or see if any man don't send anything so that I will read them before I close the show. But no man will send, that will still be okay. Now, we'll get them very clearly, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians. We'll continue to thank all man. Just one quick minute. Man, make sure say. I don't know why my phone. Alright, I got it now. Alright, for some reason, just here. Okay, I think I got it. Keep sharing. As you join, you share extensively. We'll continue to thank all my way to watch the show. And like I thought, we'll check to see what will go on. Very good. Okay, so I'll check. 202-905-8701. One of the Zelle and that. Alright, so we never received nothing for that Zelle. The last money being away brother, one of our brother doing me send him $200. Okay, that's it. We'll go for the other one, check. Okay. So Mr. Man not go to say, oh, you know we wait. No, I'm not there for that kind of thing. Very good. Okay. As you join, you continue to share while I read this information. Unfortunately, I thought I unblocked before this thing. Okay, so now the number in that, okay, nobody never sent yet as well. So that is very okay. We have to announce me, any man know which to go on. So the number in 917-480-1068. Okay, might just block some water's chair. I'll be finding the particular person since you block him. I don't block it, very good. Alright, Thank you so much. We'll block another La Republic surrogate on a Sako surrogate. I don't block him. Very good. So, as you now be aware, whether they contribute or not, any affect Eric Tato. If you only affect now the project we get for go for Gang Zero, that get for be very clear. So 9174801-068. Now one of the zeros in that, or 202-905-8701. Perfect. PayPal will be at ntelegraph@gmail.com. Why would you go on? Don't forget for the hashtag CDN. So that's what exactly I've written out there. You get the information. Whatever I want to do later on, that's perfect. If you send anything in the Kawana for boot now, any particular thing, so we'll play WhatsApp group. Okay, some people don't write me add it for Anna. So if you want me add it for Anna, write me for any of these numbers they don't hear, and I still my WhatsApp, I still my Zelle 202-905-8701. Why you get 9174801068. Thank you so much, and for saying God bless you now. I don't see some person right now add it for Anna. I will just do them now immediately, and for saying God bless you now. All right, so we'll play our president music while we read these numbers. So if you write me or any of those numbers, you will get me for WhatsApp. So we'll listen to our president music while we hashtag CDN as many times as we do. All right, thank you so much. Alright.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah.
Alright, thank you. So just keep it coming. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you. Okay, I'll add any man add it for Anna. You don't write me, and I'll add you right away. So thank you. Alright. Alright, thank you so much. All my way don't participate on this show. We'll be very grateful and we'll thank everybody. I think every day people they get the truth, and that's how we're going to continue. So thank every man immensely, and we'll not be thank you just enough. Alright. So once more, if you want to join me for you want to oh, sometimes I'm not opening message. I will read them very quickly. Right. Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. So if you want to join the Anna WhatsApp group, just write me for 9174801068, or you write me for 202-905-8701. Any of those ones, now is where our Zelle. So if you want to buy a boot or anything for the soldiers, get to me and make sure so we'll get this project executed together. Well, thank you so much. We'll get a lot of people that still watch. We'll know people that won't always stay around. But because we have other things to do, we'll get for living at this point. But thank God, say every day when they see the truth about the way they chop money for this revolution, person takes $600,000 US. We'll talk about a lot of money. That's just too much way if you haven't count them. For CFA, if you might say one man, they take 75 million only for legal fee. Let me say the one where they declare, apart from the 600 where they chop them, inside my trip to Boya, it claims they give food or so how much? $123,000 way, actually still there for the 600 way lost. But food also don't come today for country say no, they not take that money. So we thank God for all these revelations that they come out. So that me and Bazunia put the eye immediately open. Thank you so much, and for saying God bless you. Bye bye. Thank you so much.